Hello, welcome back to CapSim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips to win on rounds, lesson 9 of 9, series of 9 lessons, right? HR, finance, and TQM. To get the top result, I show you the detail now, right? So if you know that R&D, marketing, production, the most three important question, and now I show you HR, finance, and TQM. HR, you need to get the best workforce, so invest in that, right? You see the max number we can spend here is a 5,000, and max training hours 80 hour. You can use the 3,040 hour if you want 3,040 hour, and later rounds you can use 5,080 hour training to get the best workforce, and then you can always win. You have lots of data here, but you get only 2 boxes to input the number, right? And then you have the finance. For the finance, you see that you can issue the stock, you can borrow the current debt, you can issue the long-term debt, you get enough that fund to avoid emergency. And for TQM, you can use TQM here, you can use around 1,000 for all of them. You can adjust a little bit, but around 1,000 is okay. And apply that for 4 round, 3, 4, 5, and 6, or 4, 5, 6, and 7. 4 round is the max number, max total for TQM, right? So remember to use HR, finance, and TQM wisely, and then you can get the top result. They are the long-term strategy. So I just show you on the lesson from 1 industry condition report, lesson 2 perceptual maps and idea spot, lesson 3 market demands growth, lesson 4 price cost margin analysis, lesson 5 capacity analysis, lesson 6 free sell file, and free for round 1 and round 2. Remember, you can apply this and then send the email to me to get the free sell file or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Lesson 7, round 1, 2, and 3 are key to win. Lesson 8, marketing, R&D, marketing, production combination are key to win. Do not separate that for each different student, because if you do that separately, you will lose, right? And also apply HR, finance, and TQM wisely, and then you can always win. If you have any questions, just send an email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.